Hi, I'm Dan Robbins, principal of the Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center, and we're here tonight for our open house. We're very excited to have our own open house where students have already went to their home high schools last week, but today they get to come and see their courses, their teachers, see the building, and just learn a little bit more about what EC3 can provide for them in their school year this year. We've had a great turnout. We're even doing some prizes to give away for students and parents that are signed up with the HCS app.
Hi, I'm Dana Pearsall. I'm the computer science teacher here at EC3. We have 5 computer science pathways ranging from computer programming to cybersecurity to web development. We teach, like I said, we teach programming, basically everything that you need to know to be successful in the IT industry after school. And we also offer various certifications that go along with that.
Stephen Rogers, teaching first trimester in Introduction to Aerospace and Aviation. This class scratches the surface on a great many aviation topics to introduce the students to give the students all around knowledge of aviation, commercial aviation and military aviation, for instance, drones especially. It benefits students as they go on, progress through their high school career. They have the opportunity to earn 9 semester hours through Eastern Kentucky University and a FAA Part 107 commercial drone operator certificate, which allows them to fly drones commercially so they can do that for a job.
My name is Chef Keisha Pitt. I'm the executive chef here at EC3. I teach our Culinary 1 and our Culinary 2 class. That is our Level 1 and Level 2 classes here at EC3. We help our students learn different levels of cooking. We also work on the front of the house, so we do stuff like bussing tables and cleaning tables, serving, that kind of thing. We also help with people who want to be managers and who want to run restaurants, people who also want to do things that aren't just in the restaurant industry, people who want to go into business marketing, that kind of thing, but with the twist of restaurants. We also help people who want to be food photographers and that kind of thing. In our culinary class, we're going to do all kinds of different things. We're going to work on some baking. We're going to cook some meats, vegetables. We're just going to do all kinds of things, all culinary related.
Hello, I'm Justin Hornback. I'm the media arts teacher here at EC3. So in our class, we get to deal a lot with media and different forms of media. So students usually start out with an introductory thing into photography, how to frame pictures, because moving pictures, film, are just made up of still shots. So we kind of introduce that to begin with and then work our way up into video editing from there in intro. And then after that class, the remainder of the pathway is pretty much a filmography class. So then we delve into script writing and how to storyboard a short film and filming, maybe making a short film, editing, and then making multiple short films beyond that. Just try to advance all of that. That's what we get to do here at EC3. It's a lot of fun. It stays pretty busy. And then, of course, we work outside. This is being filmed by HCEC-TV, and we help with that, too. So that's what we get to do in here. We do a whole lot of stuff, but it's a lot of fun.
Awesome turnout. We're ready for another great school year.